Welcome back, everybody. Another video I'm going to do for Uncle Mark here. Something he requested me to do is the Koso Water Temp gauge. Mark doesn't sell these himself, but they're a pretty common item. A lot of people buy them from Dennis Kurt, and he just wanted to give a general how-to video to help the community out of how to install these suckers. So the sled we're going to be doing it on today is a 2019 AxysR. The installation will be pretty much similar for all the IQRs and AxysRs. The only difference is 2018 and older AxysRs and IQRs. You will need a AC/DC converter that Koso also sells. The 19 and newers are already DC current, so you can just plug right in. So let's get the hood off. Don't mind the pooch over in the corner, she's minding her own business today. We'll start at the thermostat housing. These sleds don't run a thermostat. There's normally a bleeder screw here. This is the temperature sensor. So we run, re-tap out, drill and tap out that bleeder hole, and you can use the temp sensor right in there. See if I can get this to focus here. I used a 1/8 by 28 BSP tap. A lot of people use a 1/8 NPT tap also. Just drop that sucker. Both worked fine. I've known people who've used both. They're pretty similar. The NPT has a little bit more of a taper to it. So yeah, that's there. You want to leave a little slack on the wire. I ran it up the coolant hose, and I ran the plug real close to my hood wire. This is all provided by Koso. This is to the dash on the hood. Now for the gauge, double-sided taped, ran it down the steering column channel, black tape to hold her in like it was never there. And here we have the plug-in. I opened her up, did an inline splice. You want to tie into the yellow hot. That'll be the red wire on the Koso gauge. And the brown is the ground. That is the black wire on the Koso gauge. So I did that inline here. And this guy here that you see is the temperature sensor wire. I ran him real close to the plug so you can easily unhook it and hook it up. Put on one-handed. So yeah, so it's easily done. A little too dark in there to see, but yeah. Run it like that, and you can unhook and hook it just like when you take the hood off with your factory harness. The IQRs, you can skip that step because your hood is attached, but the wires will be the same. Yellow is hot, brown is ground, and you'll need to put an AC/DC converter in there. And the IQRs, actually, you can leave it attached to the hood because the hood stays with the sled at most times. That kind of makes it simpler. The AxysRs, you got to take that off. So once again, just a quick little video doing for Uncle Mark. You got any questions or you need any AxysR IQR parts, Uncle Mark is your guy. There's his phone number, his email. I'll also put a link down in the description to check him out. And yeah, give him a call if you need anything. Thanks for watching, guys.